to go if they can read it.
Elias across to Gale. A long ball. Intercepted. It'll be a try. It'll be a try, I think. He's running out of ground. Gale's going to get him. Gale, I think, is going to get him now. Peter Mortimer scores. Peter Mortimer, off an intercept pass, has scored. The touch judge having a little bit of a joke with Kevin Roberts. Probably all he had to say to him was, how do you feel? It's a referee's nightmare, really, when the play's going one way and then you've got to gallop 100 metres the other. Well, isn't it amazing? Lady Luck. Canterbury lost a point last week against Eastern Suburbs through a Steve Mortimer indiscretion, and today they well may have picked up a couple of premiership points through their opponents making a similar mistake.
I thought that Balmain threw the pass to the wrong side of the field. They had many extras on the right, decided to come left, and this is the result of it. Peter Mortimer took the intercept. At this stage, he was starting to flounder a little bit, but he had far too much start on Scott Gale, and he comes up with the 4 points as he plunges over.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's the luck of rugby league. There's the try scorer, Peter Mortimer.